On 21st September 2022, Gnome 43 was launched. So Gnome 43 is the latest version of Gnome, and it was launched very late, which means that they have worked very hard for last 6 months to get the best result which is available right now. So new intuitive design which has variety of features available. So operating system is much faster and much better than the previous versions. So it is a next generation toolkit which is GTK4, and it has a major changes. So all the toolkits are new. And if you see here, many other features like calendar, contacts, calls, device security settings, web apps, and there is a lot and a lot more. So in order to download, you can go to gnome.org and click on get started, and you will be able to install it on various distributions. So depending upon where you want to install, you can choose particular distribution and you can get the code. If you need more help, please subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, and don't forget to mention the feedback in the comment section. See you then. Take care and goodbye.